Racing dash is started. We have touch of class. Break quickly at the start. Perfect pass is done on the inside. Love Minstrel is on the outside. Madam Leonora comes next. Moving up Counselor in the middle portion of his Coquette. Next on line is Fabiola. His Speed Admiral comes next. Running by the rail. His storyline Red River Girl Terry Tun while Bagong Barrio. It is the early trailer by about 15 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Perfect Pass maintaining a 4 lengths lead, and in second is Touch of Class. Alongside third comes Love Minstrel. Madam Leonora comes next. Moving up on the outside, Councilor Fabiola is down on the inside. Coquette in the middle portion. Red River Girl comes next. Storyline is Speed Admiral Terry Tun, while Bagong Barrio is still racing and less back to the leader. We have Perfect Pass by only a length and a half. Trying to get closer in second is Love Minstrel. Moving up down on the inside, Fabiola. Touch of Class. Councilor also moving up on the outside. Coquette. Then next online now is Madam Leonora. Speed Admiral likewise arriving at the scene, and Diana entering the home stretch. The lead now belongs to Love Minstrel by about 2 lengths. Down on the inside, Fabiola. Councilor is on the outside. Speed Admiral. We have Love Minstrel. Speed Admiral now moving up on the outside to take the lead. It's now Speed Admiral. Second, Love Minstrel, Councilor. Then comes Fabiola, Perfect Pass, and Madam Leonora for your Super 6.
11-10 fourth.